Ever feel like your paycheck barely says hello before it's gone? You work hard, but by the time bills, groceries, and gas are paid, there's barely anything left. It's exhausting, right? You're not alone in this. Millions of us feel the same squeeze every single month. Everywhere you turn, prices keep creeping up, groceries cost more, rent feels heavier, and don't even get me started on gas. Even tiny splurges like an extra coffee or takeout can pile up faster than we think. That's how small overspending turns into big stress. It can feel overwhelming, like you're stuck in a loop you can't break. But here's the truth. You have more control than you think. And the secret doesn't involve complicated spreadsheets or expensive apps. It's something simple you can hold in your hands. With one binder, a pen, and just a little time, you can start taking control of your money again. This simple tool can help you track, plan, and save without the overwhelm. Think of it as your personal money adventure guide, and today, I'll show you exactly how to make it. This isn't about complicated spreadsheets or math degrees. It's about creating a budget system that actually works in real life, even if you can't stand budgeting. Hi, I'm Betty, and this is Budget Betty. Real tips, real moms, real savings. If you're ready to make your money behave, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. I'm not a financial advisor, just a mom who learned the hard way how to make every dollar count. This is for educational purposes only. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you step by step through building your own budget binder. And by the end, you can start using it tonight. So, in this video, easy step-by-step guide to creating a budget binder that saves you money. Grab a cup of coffee, a notebook, and let's do this together. Think of your binder like a trusty toolbox on an epic treasure hunt. If your tools are scattered or missing, you waste time and energy just looking for them. The same goes for your budget binder. A messy one makes tracking your money feel like an uphill climb. But when it's organized, it's like having a map that leads straight to the gold. Pick a binder size that feels comfortable in your hands, not one that's bulky and ends up gathering dust. For most Americans, letter size is perfect, big enough to fit everything, but still easy to carry. Imagine it as your portable command center for managing money. If it's too big or too small, you won't want to use it daily. Add dividers for sections like bills, savings, debt, and goals. These are your treasure map markers. They tell you exactly where to look. Without them, you'll spend forever flipping through pages. With them, it's like finding the right key for the right chest every single time. Use paper or printables you actually enjoy looking at. Your binder should make you smile, not sigh. Pick designs, colors, or fonts that feel like you. And don't forget to leave some blank pages for ideas or changes. A budget is a living thing. Let it grow with you. Welcome to step 2. Know what's coming in and going out. Think of your budget like a bathtub. If you don't know where the leaks are, the water will never stay in. Picture your money as sparkling water flowing in, but also dripping out through tiny cracks you didn't notice. This is why tracking is your first big adventure in taking control of your finances. Start by writing down every source of income you have, even the small side hustles, that $20 from helping your neighbor, or the bonus you got at work. It all counts. Every drop that falls into your bathtub adds up. This step is about seeing the full picture, so no amount is too small to track. Now, record every single expense for at least 7 to 30 days. It might feel tedious, but it's like mapping unexplored territory. You need to see where every path leads. Every snack, coffee, or subscription is part of the map. Once you see the terrain clearly, you can plan the best route for your money. Use the simple monthly calendar or just line paper and color code it. Green for income, red for expenses. This makes your money story visible at a glance. It's like using colored flags on a treasure map, showing you where the gold is and where it's slipping away. The more colorful and clear your map, the easier it is to win your financial adventure. Think of your budget like a road trip. If you don't have a clear destination, You might just keep driving in circles. Goals give your money a purpose, and that's what keeps you moving forward. Just like a GPS, they help you avoid wrong turns and wasted time. Without them, you're just burning fuel without getting closer to your dream. Start small. It's way easier to stick to a $50 savings goal than to try and stash away $5,000 right off the bat. Every small win builds your confidence and shows you that progress is possible. Before you know it, you'll be ready for the bigger challenges. Don't overwhelm yourself with too many goals at once. Focus on one or two and give them your full attention. It's like choosing the main quest in an adventure game before taking on all the side quests. That way, you actually finish something instead of just wandering around. Big goals can feel impossible until you break them into steps. Like climbing a mountain, you just take it one base camp at a time. Each checkpoint gets you closer and keeps you motivated. Keep those goals where you can see them. That way, they're never out of sight or mind. Bills are like laundry. The longer you ignore them, the scarier they get. But when you face them head-on, you take back control. Imagine turning a mountain of messy papers into something neat and easy to handle. That's exactly what we're going to do here. First, give your bills their own home in your binder. This keeps everything in one place so you never have to go treasure hunting for a missing payment slip again. Think of it as building a secure camp in the wilderness. Everything you need is right there. No more papers hiding in random drawers or bags. Next, make a monthly overview where all your due dates are in one place. It's like having a treasure map that shows every hidden deadline before it sneaks up on you. You'll see the whole month at a glance and know exactly when to act. It's the secret weapon too. Staying ahead. Finally, check off bills when they're paid. It's more satisfying than you think. Each check mark is like planting your flag after conquering a new peak. Keep all your important statements here too, so they're ready when you need them. This is how you stay on top and never let the bill beast win. Again, step 5 is all about saving made simple. Think of it like planting seeds. You won't see results overnight, but one day you'll be resting in the shade and enjoying sweet fruit from your efforts. A quick win for today: transfer just $5 to your savings account right now. It's small, but it's a step, and steps lead to trails, and trails lead to mountains. Add a savings tracker to your binder. Label each goal, maybe one for emergencies, one for vacations, or even one for that dream gadget. Seeing them clearly makes the journey exciting. Review your tracker every month. Start small but stay consistent, and before you know it, your seeds will grow into something amazing. A safety net, an adventure fund, or your next big dream. Some expenses feel like they pop up out of nowhere, but they don't. Christmas, birthdays, and back-to-school shopping happen every single year. The problem is, we just forget to prepare for them in advance. If we plan for them like clockwork, they stop being financial landmines. Start by making a list of all the annual or seasonal expenses you can think of: holidays, family trips, school supplies, anything that happens once or twice a year. The more complete your list, the fewer surprises your wallet will face. Think of it as drawing a map before you start your journey. Take the total cost of each expense and break it down into smaller monthly amounts. This makes even big expenses feel manageable. Just like dividing a long journey into short, exciting stops. It becomes easier to handle. Every small step gets you closer to your goal without stress. Keep these savings separate so you don't accidentally spend them. You can use a cash envelope system, special savings account, or even labeled jars at home. The key is to make it easy to see your progress. Watching that money grow can be as exciting as finding treasure on your adventure. A budget isn't something you just set and forget. Think of it like a garden. Without care, weeds start creeping in. Each month, take a moment to check in on your budget's health. This keeps your money flowing where you truly want it to go. Start by comparing what you plan to spend with what you actually spent. You might find some surprises, both good and bad. This step helps you spot patterns and make smarter choices. Think of it as looking at your treasure map after each quest. Life changes. Maybe you get a new job, or prices go up. Your budget should change with you. Adjusting it is not a failure. It's how you keep winning. A flexible budget is like having a sword that always fits your hand. Don't forget to celebrate your wins, even the tiny ones. They're proof that your hard work is paying off. Refresh your goals so you stay excited. That way, your budget becomes a journey you actually look forward to. We went from picking your binder to setting goals, tracking expenses, and reviewing monthly. Your money now has a home. A budget binder isn't about restriction. It's about freedom, knowing where your money goes so you can tell it where to go next. Like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's ready to take control. What's the first section you're adding to your binder? Tell me in the comments. We swap great ideas here. This is Budget Betty. Real tips, real mums, real savings. Until next time, may your coffee be hot, your bills be paid, and your savings account be smiling.